In front of me is Realme Narzo N61, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Then hold one of your photos to get rid of and click on Select All at the top right corner. Then tap on all of your pictures to keep, and to delete the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!